that severe weather threat at least has eased for now, but we know those cooler temperatures are moving in, Ethan.
Really, really quick.
Yeah.
You know, Mother Nature knows we can't have these streak of 70s like this for too long at this time of the year, so it all has to come to a screeching halt, and that is why we've had a couple of rounds of these early season severe weather outbreaks across the Midwest. Remember, we had that with a couple tornadoes here at the end of February, and then in Illinois and Northwest Indiana yesterday. No doubt that it has been a very busy one across much of the country. Now we're just dealing with the sogginess across central Indiana. Rain for most of us, and the cold front is overhead. You can tell where it's moved through based by temperatures. Right now it's 46 degrees in Indy, while still in Columbus, Bartholomew County is at 61, Muncie at 63, Richmond at 59, and then a 20-degree difference colder up in Kokomo, 59 degrees there, or 39, excuse me, there with a wind chill of 30. So we're beginning to calculate wind chills again, and tomorrow morning it is going to be a chilly one when you head out the door. Winds are coming out of the west-northwest around 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusting close to 30, and some of the peak wind gusts have been even higher than that. Bloomington today coming in with a 56 mile per hour non-thunderstorm wind gust, 44 in Muncie. Now, some of the highest wind gusts that we had with some of the thunderstorms this morning did reach upward of 70 miles per hour up in Middletown. Zionsville even came in with a wind gust at 68 miles per hour. Shelbyville not far behind either. Winds nonetheless are just often an underrated threat, as I say, because they can still do damage even if it's not from a tornado. This is what it looks like on our storm reports from this morning. All the icons all across the Indy Metro and just north, that's from this morning, while everything up to the north is from what happened yesterday. And I have it just to show the funnel cloud and tornado reports from yesterday, a clear defined line of where that one cell moved on through when the first touchdown occurred near Pontiac, Illinois. And then I moved it through Kankakee, where we had that damage that we've showed you, and up in northwestern Indiana too. That tracked 110 miles just from that point into the Hoosier State. And if you take it into western Illinois, even longer, because look at it riding right along that warm front yesterday as it just explodes right here on visible satellite. That's why it was a very discreet, narrow cell that did a lot of damage in its path, as it had nothing but moisture and instability to work with that one cell. Right now, the rain is beginning to exit slowly but surely. Areas south of Indianapolis have received the most rain today, with Bloomington since midnight nearly coming in with a little bit more than 1.5 inches of rain. And Bloomington, unfortunately, is one of those spots that does not need the rain, Shelbyville included, because our southern counties are in less of a drought compared to our northern counties, which have had this extreme drought left over for months. Extreme drought over in Muncie, Kokomo, Lafayette, and those spots are the ones that really need the rain. Once this gets on out of here, the other story is going to be how quickly temperatures take a dive. Maybe a few snowflakes will mix in overnight and very early tomorrow morning. Nothing big, though. The bigger story is going to be the clearing skies tomorrow morning and how cold it's going to be. Wind chills in the 20s and actual low temperatures again below freezing. We are going to break our streak of above normal days. And then high temperatures tomorrow in the afternoon as clouds come back. We'll get more seasonable in the mid to upper 40s, and our average high right now is actually right around 50 degrees. There's cold front number 1 coming through right now. The next one's going to come through on Sunday, and look at the difference in our temperatures. Couldn't make it much more of a roller coaster if I tried, because we'll be above average for the weekend, with the warmest day being on Sunday. Forecast highs again well above normal, and then even colder by Monday and Tuesday next week. That, friends, is when winter will mark its triumphant return. Highs around freezing Monday and Tuesday. Showers and storms looking likely on Sunday. That will turn to rain, maybe mix on Monday. A little bit of something for everybody here as we begin to slowly calm things down, at least tonight and tomorrow.